Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I am here with Gabrena. Gabrena came in for the 1-year follow-up. I was so overwhelmed with the results. I asked Gabrena if she would do a video for us, and she is willing to share her story with the world. Gabrena, tell me about your year experience. Tell me about your hair. You went from 0, and I'm going to just let you start talking.
Hi, my name is Gabrena. I'm 43, and I had been anticipating hair transplant for some time. I just never could find a doctor that would do it or that I was satisfied with their results from other clients. I found Dr. Siegel. I came in, and just the way they treated me, I knew I was going to do the procedure, and I was completely bald, and I have hair now to the point that I wear my own hair. I was the queen of wigs. I would not do anything, any events without my wig on. I have not worn a wig in over a year now. My hair, I got this procedure last year, October, the end of October, but this hair was already in probably in June of this year. So less than a year, I had a full edges all over again. I was wearing so many wigs that I started selling wigs. Now, I just wear my hair. I haven't even colored it since it grew in, but I'm going to color it so it can look nice again. But I'm happy. I will tell anybody, if you want to do some hair transplant, come here. You will be happy. You'll be satisfied. The staff, irreplaceable. I think that we friends for some reason. But if you're going to get some hair transplant, you better come see Dr. Harold.
We are friends. We bond during the procedure. It is even though the injections, the anesthesia is the worst part of the procedure. After that, it's a relaxing environment.
Just like any procedure, you got a lifetime of real hair. It ain't glued on. It ain't sewed in. It is real.
It is your own hair.
Our own hair, and not only does it come in, it grows. This was a little bud, a little like men hair, but you see, it has its own length. It's taken off with its own length. I had nothing here. It's taken off. It has length. And
it will still grow. It's going to grow as long as the other hair.
Yes. I'm back to me. And I feel like I look younger, too. When you see my old pictures and I look at me now, I feel like I look younger. And I get to wear my hair and it gets to breathe. So now my family, they was like they forgot I had long hair. They forgot my hair. So I think I forgot my hair. But thanks to Dr. Siegel and his team, I love my hair again. It is being relived, and we're here for the remainder of life.
Now, I had the opportunity to follow you had a little bit of hypopigmenting occur prior, so I was able to follow that line and fine-tune it for you, which was actually beneficial. But overall, your friends and family are impressed with the results?
Yes, my family and especially my friends, because I have friends that may even put twists or even style my hair, and they keep looking for the incision that was made to remove the hair follicles to put here, and every time it just rubbed it. I can feel it rubbing across it with the hand. They can't believe that the scar is disappearing and the hair has overtaken the area where you don't even remember where the scar was at.
Exactly. So we really specialize. We make sure we focus on giving you the little minimal scar, just a pencil line scar if you can find it.
This is a real video. I am not paid to do this. I paid him to do this. This is a real video, so if you're going to get some hair transplant, come see Dr. Siegel.
Well, I thank you, and I always say I'm only as good as my team. It's a team effort. I have an amazing team, and I love the fact that you say me, but it is a team effort, and I love what I do. My team loves what we do here at Natural Transplants. You look absolutely amazing. I'm so glad you're going to be wearing this hair for many, many, many 50 years to come. And I thank you so much for volunteering to do this video and for coming back in to do the video for us.
Thank you and your team.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.